Rodge Grinder! Rodge Grinder! Rodge Grinder! Yeah! Losers! I hate We gotta get him back. We're gonna get him back. No one messes with Rodge and Grinder!
Rodge, wake up. Rodge, wake up, dude.
What?
Dude, do you remember when I was trying to figure out a way to get back at Todd? I got a plan.
That shitbrick's gonna wish he never messed with us.
So what's the plan?
I got a bunch of dog shit from the neighbor's lawn yesterday. I waited like a week so I can get a solid few pounds of dog poo.
What the hell you doing?
Oh, ew, dude, it fucking reeks.
What's the whole point, Rodge, you idiot? Now listen to the plan. First, we're gonna light this bag of shit on fire, drop it on his porch, knock on the door, and we're gonna run. Go hide behind those 2 trees in front of his house. Dude, this is the flawless plan. I've been thinking about it all day. Then, we're gonna see him come out of his house, see a flaming bag of Stanley Steamer on his porch, start stomping on it with his boots, and we come out and laugh at him. We get to laugh at him. Today's our day, Rodge. Today's our day.
I don't know, man. I think he's gonna kick our ass.
No, shut up, dude. Let's just do this. Rodge! Oh, shit.
No!